In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a smooth whip pan transition. Okay, to get started, I just added 2 clips to my timeline that I'd like to add a whip pan transition between. Let's begin by going over to the effects library. In here, open up the toolbox and select video transitions. Scroll down to the motion section to find the push transition. Drag it between your 2 video clips on the timeline to add this simple but boring push. To spice it up, let's select our transition on the timeline and go over to the inspector. In here, reduce the duration to your liking. I'll set mine to 0.5 seconds since I like really fast whips. And then for the ease, select in and out, which will give it some acceleration and smooth it out. Okay, this is starting to look good, but we still need some blur. Back in the effects library, select effects from the side menu. Drag the adjustment clip effect onto the track above your transition. Then adjust its duration so that it matches the length of your push transition. Okay, once again go over to the effects library, but this time select open effects from the side menu. Under Resolve Effects Blur, you'll see an option for directional blur. Drag it onto your adjustment clip. Now, before we continue, let's move our playhead to the start of the adjustment clip so that it's in position for when we keyframe our blur. Then make sure your adjustment clip is selected on the timeline, and in the inspector, select the Open Effects tab. Alright, in here, click the keyframe toggle next to blur strength to create a starting keyframe. Then set the blur strength to 0, since our playhead is positioned at the start of the transition and we don't want any blur yet. Next, move the playhead to the middle of the transition, and set the blur strength to 0.8. This automatically creates a second keyframe that ramps our blur up from 0 to 0.8. And lastly, move the playhead to the end of the adjustment clip, and set the blur back to 0 to create a third keyframe that ramps our blur back down. Okay, now when I play this back, I have a blur that comes in and out, but it's going in the wrong direction. We don't want our blur direction to be diagonal, and there's also these black edges we don't want. To fix this, back over in the inspector, change the blur angle to 180 to set it sideways. Then for the border type, change it to reflect or one of the other ones that doesn't show the black border. Alright, now when I play this back, I have a smooth looking whip pan transition. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.